I am packing up to go photograph the staff at a veterinary office. Part of the challenge is that we have to use one of their exam rooms. Years and years ago, we built this PVC stand and it tucks back into this corner of this very small room. I thought you might want to see this setup. Let's take a look. Okay, what we have to do in this small space is set these up in the corner. So these have legs like that. So that goes in the corner, okay? And this goes in the other corner. And then we have these two pieces with those on the ends that go on either side. And then you can see how this piece goes in this end, goes right together like that, okay? And then this piece, I'm gonna move this out of the way, goes in this end, so it's kind of adjustable, you can see, which then goes in this stand-up like that. And so if we were able to go into a different room, we could do that. And then the long ends stand up in the corners with these. It can be a little bit wobbly, but it is tucked back in that corner. And so you can see how these ends are cut at an angle to sit on the ground, and then it just folds back up. So let's pack everything up. Gotta get going. Once at the veterinary hospital, I clear out any chairs or benches, and you can see how I set up the corner pieces tucked really securely back in the corners. Then we put the stand-up pieces on. Then I move the canvas print out of the way, and I've actually already strung the backdrop onto the top pieces you can see there, and I use the posing bench to stand on to put those pieces in the top, and then I spread it all out. Usually there's no animals or people behind that posing bench, and I clamp everything nice and tight up there, and generally I'll spray a little bit of water on there and give it a minute to relax as well. And here is once everything is all set up with the backdrop, the light, the posing bench, and the reflector. Photos for 3 staff members were scheduled for 2. It is now 2:24. I got here at 1:30 and was set up in 20 minutes. Taking everybody's pictures and back in the car, like car to car round trip in 40 minutes for those 3. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's get all this stuff back to the studio and backdrops in the wash. As you can see, everything comes down very easily. Also, I didn't show you the lighting or any other setup of this space. That'll be in a future quick tips video. I do have the one light and a reflector, and I organize things in a certain way when I come to business portrait sessions. Stay tuned for future episodes by pawing that subscribe button. And don't forget to boop the like button and ring that little bell. Thanks! As always, I wish you many woofs, purrs, and TREATS's.